Gonna win them all, it's the ClawBoss. Gonna win your kid a doll, it's the ClawBoss. We hardly pay it all, it's the ClawBoss. We done came, we done clawed, it's the ClawBoss. Win again and again like I'm ClawBoss. Win again and again like I'm ClawBoss.
Hey guys, YouTube has been messing up lately, so what I need you guys to do, I need you to click that subscribe button down below. Once you click the subscribe button, click the little bell icon. Once you click the little bell icon, you're going to click options. Once you click options, you're going to click all, so you get all notifications from the ClawBoss channel for the future. Because if you don't do this, guys, then you guys are never going to be notified that there's a new video, because YouTube does not like me, doesn't like a lot of people, but if you guys don't do that, you guys will never know I upload. So click subscribe, click the bell icon, click notifications, and put it to all so you never miss a video. Let's get into today's awesome video.
Oh, he's in! He's in!
Oh! Ah!
Yeah, I'm getting out.
Guys, look at all these cop cars here.
You know what sucks?
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. It's every car that passed us earlier. 4, 5. Every single one. What is up, guys? ClawBoss here. Today, I am at the quarter claw machines. I am joined with my friend Chris. Say hi, Chris. And Joey. And we're going to be having a claw off. Me and Chris are going to be doing $10 each to see who can win the most plushies from this place. I'm going to take a guess and say I'm not going to win anything, because I never do. But let's go and have a claw off. Alright, my first play, I'm going to go for a loot llama.
I tried this. I didn't win. Wins first try.
Oh, it doesn't close. It doesn't even close.
It closed, it just doesn't grip.
I'm walking away from that one. Chris,
It didn't work.
you're letting me down. What the?
He did, it didn't work. What? Try it again.
That's redonkulous. I'm just trying to try for Guatemala.
I want Guatemala. That's not Guatemala.
It says Guatemala. That's Guatemala. I don't know. Get another corner?
Yeah, right.
You gotta go up first.
Oh, that's...
Yeah.
Get your dog, Chris. Looks
Chris,
like
do you know how to play these? Alright, so let me teach you. So you put the quarter in, you go up first, let go, wait for it to stop swinging, and you go over and let it drop. That might hit it. Oh, I want that. I want a pink Easter bunny, Easter bear. Chris is going for right in between the two. Chris, you suck.
in between.
We have to do teach Chris some more.
Have you ever played one of these?
Oh no!
It's his first time.
Oh, he almost won a Heineken. I want this bear. I don't know why. I just want it.
Looks like it has a good grip.
What?
So don't stab right there.
We're both trying right now to get one on these two.
This is why I only spent $2.
Well, oh maybe. No, it's not gonna get it.
You can't let me have this challenge.
You can't let me have this chance. You have to beat me.
This is
Try that one.
Yeah, I think they're too hot. Like that's like they're easy.
Did I say too hot?
They're too heavy.
Oh! No. Chris is trying for a Captain America.
Yeah, I couldn't miss that. Come on. No.
Hey Chris, if you spank the monkey, will it come?
It's in the same spot too.
Every time.
Oh my god.
That's pretty good.
Sure, win something. Dude, this ain't gonna be good, Chris. Chris is won like all the challenges. He cannot lose this one.
Yeah, Chris has to keep his,
He can't lose this battle.
I want to go for both.
Oh no.
Chris is going for Pikachu. Oh my god. Oh!
That was kind of, like, yeah.
Perfect. Oh, I wanted to get it in his arm. It looks like his clothes is tight enough though. Chris go for a Pikachu bank?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's a
Whoa!
Try it.
I'm gonna try for this monkey one more time.
If you spank the monkey, will it come?
Every time.
Every time.
Oh! It doesn't close enough. Wait, what if I go for that green one though?
Always.
Wait. Chris is going for the monkey, or the Pikachu. Oh, that's due.
It's due.
That's due.
I can't even tell anymore. It's just, I don't even. That's not bad. Oh, no.
Oh, I want the monkey. No. Maybe.
If you spank the monkey.
I should be able to get it now. Yeah, there we go. No.
Yeah, that was great. Can I try? Give me a quarter.
Fine, here.
Really?
Ruin my challenge.
Thank you.
We each have $10. Chris lost a quarter technically, so if you play, then. Oh no! Oh, I called it. I said, oh no.
I moved it kind of though.
Should I go for the body or the legs?
It's like so easy. It just won't, like whatever it's doing is just wacky. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
It's not. It's weak. One more try. That's it.
Something with the.
This is my last try for that little monkey.
Spank the monkey. Oh, that's.
No, it's weak. All right, I'm gonna go for the Captain America Chris was going for earlier. Here we go. Actually, I'm going for Spider-Man. Spider-Man's cooler than Captain America. Comment in the comment section who's better, Captain America or Spider-Man. I almost got it by the tag.
I never play anything that's like
try it
50
again.
cents.
All right, I'm gonna go for Hugging Tigers.
I'm gonna try to help you guys.
Hugging Tigers. Here we go. Oh, it's weak. Is that Crash Bandicoot? Hey, get the fuck over here. Nope. Oh my god, it's so weak.
Play this one. Not you.
Well, Chris is walking away from me. I'm trying to film
He's
him.
losing. He needs help. Not that kind of help. No.
Right in the hood, though, might get it. No?
Can't actually.
What about a gnome? Let's try for a gnome.
Keemstar?
Keemstar.
He really doesn't make real business. Oh my god.
I just pulled a Chris. Chris is going for a poop hat.
Yeah, I didn't even hit that. I hit it like once and it just like.
Oh, that sucks. It looks like the poop rainbow sorting hat. Oh my god. Dang it. It's Kibby's in one. Spooky. I want this so bad. Oh my god, so weak. Kibby's.
That's not bad.
Kibby's. I'm going for, what are these, Chris? You would know. What is that? Is that a weasel? What? I thought you know animals. A ferret or a weasel? I thought he did. I'm going for a dinosaur here.
That's not an animal in the fucking planet.
Well, oh! I knocked over the dinosaur. I want it. I want a dinosaur. Oh, it's weak. Alright, I'm gonna try for Taz.
Can I have it?
Everybody loves Tasmanian Devil. Alright, let's try again. We're gonna try for Tweety though, because Tweety has a smaller head. If you have a big head, it doesn't really like to pick you up, I guess.
Also, they have the same size head.
No, Tweety has a better head. That's better. It's gettable now, yeah. I can get it now.
I have to. I mean, that grip was insane.
There we go. Ooh, it didn't want to hold it. There we go. Try again. Come on. That's pretty good though.
It's weird, like it doesn't work good for the body. Maybe
It didn't.
try the body, try the legs. Like it was for something there.
Possibly, yeah.
Because the head just doesn't seem to be like fully grasping it, you know? Like right there. See?
Hold it. Hold it.
Oh!
Oh!
Damn it, you stupid bird.
Dang.
I thought I saw a putty cat. I did saw a putty cat.
You just have to like do that.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, looks good.
There it is. There's the win. I'm winning by one, buddy. You ain't gonna get me. I won Tweety. And you know what I tore? I tore a pussy. Cat.
You said that loud and proud.
Wow, it's a putty tag. Putty tag. Gotta catch them all. Pokey balls.
That looks too big for a ball. I'm gonna accept it.
Spanking the monkey, Chris. That was a waste of my money, I'm just saying. At least I got a name brand toy here.
Look at that. Why did they put that in? Doesn't it look like it's just gonna roll off? Try ball. You'll win. You'll win the challenge. It's a ball. How can it not win this, right? Never mind.
I watched it. Literally, when it hit it, I just shot.
Baby shark.
Try to squish it. Try for a bear claw.
Oh, he's playing. These things suck.
I was gonna say, that would have been a clutch move.
You got one more quarter. What are you doing? Oh, you didn't grab it. You again?
Oh no.
It's serious. You didn't grab it.
See, I think he's trying to make you lose. This is my last quarter.
Come on. I actually want you to like get something. Oh, come on. Oh, dude.
It is. It's weird.
All right, guys. So we finally did a challenge. I actually won. I don't know how, but I won a Tweety Bird. Chris won. Chris, what'd you win?
Nothing.
Well, how do you feel about that?
Fine, because it's green stuff.
Yeah, I agree. I happen to agree. You know, I hardly ever win here. Like I said, I'm surprised I even won this. But if you guys want to see more challenges with Chris or
I spent
Joey,
$2, and I'm lucky I did because I didn't waste my money.
Joey won nothing either.
Well, I spent
I
two.
got lucky. I got lucky. We would have gotten goose egg, and we wouldn't have won anything if it wasn't for just one crane at work. But if you guys want to see more challenges with Chris, comment down below. Go subscribe to our second channel, Steve and Joey. It's our abandoned, haunted cemetery exploration. We do all kinds of stuff on that channel. Go subscribe. Link in the description.
He's in. He's in.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm getting out.
Guys, look at all these cop cars here.
You know what sucks?
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. It's every car that passed us earlier. 4, 5. Every single one. I'm ClawBoss. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.